Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 28th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So we're pushing down pretty good, and based on the dollar index, I am definitely looking for shorts, and I'm going to continue to look for shorts. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because these should be areas of support on the way down. If we get decent little bounces at these areas, then that hopefully will give us an opportunity at the end of the pullbacks to go short again, potentially for the continuation of this downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we don't even have a pullback starting yet. I mean, it doesn't have to start either. It could keep going down. I'm just saying that when and if it does bounce, which the 61% seems like a good area for a bounce, then first thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement on there. I would wait patiently for a pullback, especially a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci retracement of this move down. Hopefully, a nice engulfing move to the downside and more entries to go short, especially based on the US dollar analysis. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.